Hello everyone, I'm Ernest and this is the Pocket Option platform. And today's video is aimed at dispelling the myths about trading that I'm 100% sure you've already encountered. What does trading associate with for an average person who hasn't tried it in practice but has heard a lot about it? It's some kind of complex charts, a confusing interface, and maybe a lot of terms that they don't understand, like consolidation and so on. In reality, trading is very simple. And in this video, that's what we're going to talk about. I've been trading for over 5 years and I've tried so many different tools that I can't even count them all. I've come to the conclusion that the simplest and most effective is definitely binary trading, and it's best implemented on our platform, Pocket Option. What should a good platform for a trader have? Of course, first thing is a convenient and fast way to deposit and withdraw funds on the exchange. Next, it's an intuitive interface. There definitely should be built-in indicators that you can use directly on the platform. A schematic representation of drawings for clearer price forecasting. There should also be a large number of currency pairs, and in fact, this list can go on indefinitely. And all of this is available on Pocket Option. I suggest you head over to the platform and see how it works in practice. So, let's go through the steps of what you need to do to trade directly on Pocket Option. Click the link that's in the description of this video. There will also be a promo code that gives you a 50% bonus on your first deposit. You go to the registration window, enter your email, password, or register with one click, and immediately move on to the main interface of the platform. Let's break it down step by step, what we see here and what's actually happening. In the main menu, we see the chart, currently a candlestick chart. Let's see how to change it. Click the button listing chart types, set to candlesticks, showing period M1, meaning one candlestick equals 1 minute. Clicking it allows us to change chart types to line, bars, or others. However, candlesticks are the most common for both beginners and professionals. Here we can change the candlestick interval. It can be a line, bars, or other options, but actually, the most common option that everyone uses, both beginners and professionals, is candlesticks, meaning candlestick charts. Here, we can directly change the interval of the candlestick itself. So right now it's set to 1 minute, but we can change it to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even set it to 1 hour, and so on. This is how our chart changes directly. It's important to use this, it's called a time frame, and it's essential to switch between them. Thanks to this button, you can do that right here. Let's see what's next. Next, we have currency pairs. If we click here, we see that we have the opportunity to trade currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and stocks. To the right of the asset, we see the payout percentage, which is our profit if the trade is successful. For example, if we want to trade Apple stocks, we enter a trade, let's say to buy, and if the trade is successful and we invested $100, we would make a net profit of $92. I think everything is clear here too. If we click on the star, we add this asset to our favorites, and we can easily switch to it later at the top of our interface. Let's move on. How do we actually enter a trade? In the right column, we see the main parameters that we need to use to enter a trade. I think everything is pretty intuitive. So we enter the amount we're going to invest, for example $100, and the time. This is the time frame for which we will enter. We can enter for as little as 1 minute or as long as 1 hour. Basically, the minimum time is 5 seconds. In 5 seconds, we can basically try to predict which way the price will go. And here, the payout percentage is duplicated, showing how much we will earn from a successful trade. You can also see the AI trading button. This is a new tool that recently appeared on our platform. This is artificial intelligence that makes decisions for you based on a vast amount of data about buying or selling. Basically, these are the main points you need to know to trade successfully on our platform. So let's try to enter a trade using the knowledge we have so far. I see that the trend is going down, and I think the trend will continue. But right now, we're looking at a chart where one candle represents 1 hour. I think we should switch to a smaller interval, like a 5-second candle. And now I want to make a decision to enter a sell trade. I'm clicking sell. 5 seconds go by really quickly, and we see that we've made $92. So basically it works. As you can see, it's all simple. Great. Let's take a look and make our system a bit more complex. We also see this button that we haven't discussed yet. It says indicators here. Here, there are actually about 40 of the most popular indicators that you can use while trading, and they will enhance your trading strategy. Let's open the commodity indicator, for example. We'll talk more about each indicator in other videos, but I just opened it so you can understand the essence of how it works. We also see this little brush button that says drawing. Here, we can schematically display different drawings to help us better understand what's happening right now on the chart. So, for example, I choose the rectangle and want to reflect, let's say, a support level, so I can use it later in my analysis. You can do all of this thanks to this button. Pocket Option offers these conditions. All right, so we've mastered all the basic tools that are available on our platform. Let's try to open another trade and build on our success so far. We see again a trend that's going down. We have 5-second chart. The super candle is flying away. I think this is a good spot, a good entry point to open a sell trade. We'll also open a trade for just 5 seconds. And it also closes in. Profit. Great. We've mastered the basic principles of opening and closing trades. Of course, that's not all. You can dive deeper into trading, study different strategies, and try something new. In fact, our platform offers a lot more different content that you can take advantage of. But this is the basics I wanted to show you, so you understand that trading is really simple. If you register on the Pocket Option platform now, you get a 50% deposit bonus. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell if you found this video helpful.